Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need 1 cabbage leaf, 2 cucumbers, 1 small bell pepper, 1 long curvy pepper or a long curvy cucumber would work, 2 black olives, and a handful of green beans. You will need to cut your cabbage leaf in half, it's okay if it rips a little bit, as well as your bell pepper. Let's get started! You will see I have put my smaller ingredients into the bowls off to the side, and my green beans and cabbage leaf are on the right. I'm going to move my long pepper so that it's towards the lower end or in the middle of my board. My pepper sits pretty flat, but if you need to cut yours so that it doesn't roll around, that's just fine. I'm going to move my cabbage leaf and grab my green beans. I'm going to be able to place my curvy green beans around the pepper to form the head of the elephant. If your elephant's head looks different than mine, that's okay. Being different is awesome. I'm going to move these beans off to the side and now get ready to have my cabbage leaves as the ears of my elephant. If you've ever seen a picture of an elephant, you might notice that sometimes their ears are torn or have holes in them, so it's okay if your cabbage is a little ripped. I'm going to mix and match my cabbage leaves in various ways to see which way I like the ears to go. You can do the same to yours too. Did you know that cabbage can help make your skin really clear looking? It also can help lower bad cholesterol and blood pressure. Wow, that's cool! Next, I'm going to grab the cucumbers and the olives. These are going to be the eyes for my elephant. You can decide if you want to lower your trunk or keep it up a little bit higher. Now I'm going to grab the olives and put them on top of the cucumbers. These are the pupils for the elephant's eyes. Some of you may want to move your eyes closer or have them farther apart. Elephants have a pretty wide head and their eyes are pretty spaced out, but it's up to you. The last ingredient I'm going to use are the yellow bell peppers. These are going to be the tusks for my elephant. I once again am going to explore how I want to place them. You can place them however you want to. Now I'm going to grab my remaining green beans and I'm going to break them. I could use my teeth, but beans snap so nice and easy. These are going to be some wrinkles on my elephant's face. Elephants have a lot of extra skin, but they're so wise and so intelligent. To me, the wrinkles are a sign of that. This curvy bean is so fresh it's ready to be snapped so that I can make a couple other smaller wrinkles on the elephant's face. You can choose to move your beans around however you want to. You could even break them into smaller pieces to have more wrinkles. It's up to you. How is your elephant looking? Can you picture him or her flapping their ears, or moving their trunk, or blinking their eyeballs? I hope you had fun today making your elephant. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to get other snack ideas. You can also subscribe for more snack animal fun. Bye!